Are you struggling to come up with attention-grabbing headlines for your blog posts? Don't worry, AI-powered tools are here to help. With the rise of artificial intelligence in blogging, crafting captivating headlines has never been easier. These tools analyze data from successful blog posts and trends to create headlines that are guaranteed to grab your readers' attention. Craft catchy headlines with AI tools. One fantastic way to generate attention-grabbing headlines is by using headline analyzer tools. These tools evaluate your headline based on factors like word choice, length, and emotional impact. By analyzing your headline before you publish it, you can ensure it's optimized for maximum engagement. Popular options include CoSchedule's Headline Analyzer and ShareThrough's Headline Analyzer. Another invaluable resource is the Headline Generator. These tools utilize algorithms to propose headlines based on your chosen keywords or topic ideas. If you ever hit a creative wall, let AI generate options for you to save time and spark new ideas. Check out tools like Portent's Content Idea Generator and Tweak Your Biz Title Generator for a quick brainstorming boost. Optimize your content for SEO rankings. When it comes to AI-powered blogging, optimizing your content for SEO is essential for success. With the help of artificial intelligence, you can easily identify the best keywords and phrases to target in your blog posts. By incorporating these keywords strategically throughout your content, you can significantly increase your chances of ranking higher in search engine results. One key tip is to conduct thorough keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to identify high-volume, low-competition keywords that are relevant to your content. By placing these keywords in your blog post titles, headers, and body text, you signal to search engines what your content is about, improving your chances for success. Additionally, creating high-quality and engaging content is crucial. AI-powered tools can analyze your writing for readability, tone, and engagement levels, helping you make the necessary adjustments to enhance your blog posts. Delivering valuable and informative content that resonates with your target audience increases the likelihood of your posts being shared and linked to, further boosting your SEO rankings. Don't forget to pay attention to on-page SEO elements such as meta descriptions, alt text for images, and internal linking. By optimizing these elements with relevant keywords, you can further enhance the SEO performance of your blog. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process. Keep monitoring and analyzing your content's performance using AI-powered tools to make adjustments and improve your rankings. Analyze blog performance with data analytics. Data analytics is a powerful ally for bloggers eager to understand their audience and optimize their content for maximum impact. By analyzing key metrics like page views, bounce rate, and time on page, you can gain valuable insights into what resonates with your readers and identify areas that need improvement. Page views are a crucial metric to track. This data shows how many people engage with your content and reveals which posts generate the most interest. By identifying the topics that drive the most traffic, you can tailor future content to meet your audience's needs. Next, consider the bounce rate, which indicates the percentage of visitors who leave your site after viewing just one page. A high bounce rate may suggest that your content isn't engaging enough or your site is difficult to navigate. Analyzing this metric helps identify potential issues and allows you to make necessary changes for a better user experience. Average time on page is another important metric. If visitors spend only a few seconds on your site, it may signal that your content isn't capturing their attention. Identify which posts keep readers engaged and replicate that success in future content. Engage readers through personalized content. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, standing out as a blogger can be challenging. With the rise of AI technology, bloggers now have the opportunity to engage readers like never before through personalized content. By leveraging AI-powered tools, you can create compelling, unique, and tailored content that speaks directly to your audience. One top tip for success in AI-powered blogging is to harness the power of personalized content. AI algorithms analyze reader data and behavior, providing insights into what resonates with your audience. This information allows you to create relevant, timely, and meaningful content, boosting engagement and loyalty. Additionally, continuously optimize your personalized content strategy. AI technology lets you test and track the performance of different content variations in real time, enabling quick iterations and improvements. By fine-tuning your content based on feedback and data, you can ensure your blog remains fresh and engaging. Ultimately, building genuine connections with your readers through personalized content is key. By leveraging AI technology to understand your audience better and deliver content that addresses their interests and needs, you can create a more impactful blogging experience for both you and your readers. Conclusion. To succeed in AI-powered blogging, spend time analyzing data and metrics to gain insights into your readership. By understanding who your readers are and what interests them. Know your audience for blogging success. Understanding your audience is the cornerstone of a successful blog. By diving deep into what your readers are interested in, you can tailor your blog posts to meet their unique needs and preferences. This targeted approach not only enhances reader satisfaction but also drives more traffic to your site. Don't leave your blog's success to chance. Get to know your audience and watch your engagement soar. Optimize your content for maximum visibility. When it comes to creating content for your AI-powered blog, optimization is key. Be sure to incorporate relevant keywords and phrases that your audience is likely to search for. Strategically placing these keywords throughout your posts will help your content rank higher in search engine results, making it easier for readers to discover your blog. Plus, consider leveraging AI-powered tools to analyze your content. These tools can provide valuable suggestions for improvements, helping your blog perform at its best in terms of SEO. Elevate reader engagement with AI. Engagement is essential for any successful blog, and AI can significantly enhance how you connect with your readers. Think about incorporating chatbots or automated messaging systems to respond to comments and inquiries in real time. This not only builds a loyal following but also establishes a stronger connection between you and your audience. Don't hesitate to encourage your readers to share their thoughts and feedback. By using AI to analyze this data, you can continuously refine your blog, making it more relevant and engaging for your audience. Stay attuned to what they love and watch as your community flourishes. By focusing on understanding your audience, optimizing content for SEO, and engaging effectively through AI, you can create a thriving blog that keeps readers coming back for more.